I bet you didn't know there's a 50% discount on invideo AI subscription plans available in the description. Imagine having a tool that not only simplifies your video editing process, but also enhances the quality of your content. invideo AI is designed to do just that. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this tool can revolutionize the way you create videos. What's something people don't know about video production? Share your thoughts in the comments. Many people underestimate the amount of time and effort that goes into creating a polished video. From selecting the right clips to adding transitions and effects, the process can be incredibly time-consuming. But with invideo AI, you can streamline your workflow and focus on what truly matters, your creative vision. It can be a breeze with the right tools. Enter invideo AI. This innovative software leverages the power of artificial intelligence to make video editing faster and more efficient. Imagine being able to cut your editing time in half without compromising on quality. That's the promise of invideo AI. Imagine cutting your editing time in half. How much time do you spend editing videos? Let us know below. For many creators, editing can take hours, if not days. But with invideo AI, you can significantly reduce the time spent on tedious tasks. This means you can produce more content in less time, allowing you to grow your audience and engage with your viewers more effectively. With invideo AI, that's totally possible. This tool is packed with features that make video editing a breeze. From automated scene selection to intelligent music recommendations, invideo AI takes care of the heavy lifting so you can focus on your creative vision. This powerful tool helps you create stunning videos with just a few clicks. Need a cool intro or catchy transitions? invideo AI has got you covered. The software comes with a wide range of templates and effects that you can customize to suit your style. What's your favorite video effect? Comment below. Need a cool intro or catchy transitions? What's your favorite video effect? Comment below. With invideo AI, you can easily add professional-looking intros and transitions to your videos. The software's intuitive interface makes it easy to experiment with different effects and find the perfect look for your content. invideo AI's got you covered. The software's AI capabilities extend beyond just editing. It can also suggest the best scenes and music to match your video's vibe. This means you can create cohesive and engaging content without spending hours searching for the right clips and tracks. Plus, it suggests the best scenes and perfect music to match your vibe. No more hours spent tweaking every detail. invideo AI does the heavy lifting so you can focus on your creative vision. Imagine being able to produce high-quality videos without the stress and frustration that often comes with the editing process. No more hours spent tweaking every detail. With invideo AI, you can streamline your workflow and focus on what truly matters, your creative vision. The software's AI capabilities take care of the tedious tasks, allowing you to spend more time on the creative aspects of your projects. invideo AI does the heavy lifting so you can focus on your creative vision. It's like having a personal assistant for your video projects. Imagine having a tool that understands your creative needs and helps you bring your vision to life. That's the power of invideo AI. It's like having a personal assistant for your video projects. So, why wait? Boost your efficiency, save time, and make your videos shine brighter than ever. With invideo AI, you can take your video production to the next level and create content that stands out from the crowd. Boost your efficiency, save time, and make your videos shine brighter than ever. Try invideo AI today and watch your production game level up. What feature are you most excited about? Tell us in the comments. Whether it's the automated scene selection, intelligent music recommendations, or the wide range of templates and effects, there's something for everyone in invideo AI. Try invideo AI today and watch your production game level up. What feature are you most excited about? Tell us in the comments. The future of video production is here, and it's called invideo AI. This powerful tool is designed to help you create stunning videos with ease. So why wait? Start using invideo AI today and see the difference it can make in your video production process. Remember, the future of video production is here, and it's called invideo AI. With its advanced AI capabilities and user-friendly interface, invideo AI is the perfect tool for video creators of all levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, This software can help you create high-quality videos in less time, and it's called invideo-io. Don't miss out on the opportunity to revolutionize your video production process. Try invideo-io today and experience the future of video editing. With its powerful features and intuitive interface, invideo-io is the ultimate tool for video creators. So why wait? Start using invideo-io today and take your video production to the next level.